Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno5, and today I'll show you how we can activate fingerprint on the screen lock. So basically how we can unlock your phone from this position, from this screen. As you can see, I cannot. So you have to simply go for the settings, find fingerprint face and password, move to your fingerprint, input protection method, and go for the screen of unlock. As you can see, you have to click to show fingerprint icon, and after that you will be able to unlock your phone from this screen. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.